Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my June favorites. By the way, look at my nails.
Yes, I'm serving unicorn realness. Beautiful, amazing, fabulous.
Okay, so today I'm gonna show you lots of shoes and clothes and fabulous things that I've been loving so much in the month of June. I'm aware it's already July. By the way, my birthday is on the 7th of July. And I'm so excited. I love birthdays. And no, I don't have a PO box because it's expensive, so you cannot send me birthday cards or anything, but I'll be very happy if you just send me a happy birthday message on my social media. Alright, so before we carry on and I show you some amazing shoes, please subscribe because I post new videos 3 times a week, sometimes 2 but mostly 3, and give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Okay, should I start with shoes or clothes? I think I'm gonna start with shoes, right? Okay, first pair of shoes that is like my favorite ever. I'm not even gonna say it's one of my July favorites, it's one of my life favorites, and I've shown this already on my Dolls Kill unboxing, but I'm gonna have to show it to you again because it is literally my favorite thing ever. And of course I'm talking about the most... Wait, someone is calling me. Sorry, my friend Phoebe is here. She just arrived and she's like watching me film now and I'm like very creeped out. As I was saying, I've got the most amazing shoes from Dolls Kill. And one is unlaced, I'm sorry. But oh my god, look at this. I know, I'm sorry, you have already seen this before on my previous video, but it's too beautiful. I'm sure you don't mind seeing it again over and over every single video. Look at this baby. And I haven't even worn it yet because I haven't gone anywhere. But I love it. It's my favorite thing ever. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you all the amazing shoes that this online shop called Fairy Season sent me. And oh my god, they sent me so many shoes. I am so excited. And the first pair, are you prepared? Are your eyeballs ready? Are these amazing black stilettos with spikes. They're just so cool. Like, look at these. I love it so much. I don't have any shoes like these, like stilettos. I usually have like chunky heels and platforms and like heavier looking shoes, but I don't know, I just love these. It's so cute and I don't know, I love the spikes and I just love it. It's so cool. And the soles are red because it's kind of like copying Louboutin. I know, I have no shame. And I like this so much that I actually ordered a pink pair as well. Aren't they just gorgeous? I'm crazy for these shoes. Now, my plan, the reason actually why I got a black pair and a pink pair is because I want to wear them like this, like one of each color, and just have different colored shoes. Phoebe's looking at me like, yeah. Yeah, that's the plan. I love it. But tell me in the comments if you prefer the black one or the pink one, or both together like me. Ooh, that looks so pastel golf, doesn't it? Like pastel pink shoes with spikes and like black shoes, and ooh, amazing. Then I can't even believe what I'm gonna say, but I've chosen some trainers. Or sneakers if you're American, and they are beautiful. I really needed something like comfortable because I have so many heels but I walk a lot, so I'm always like wearing the same shoes even though I have lots of different shoes. If that makes sense. So they sent me these beautiful babies. They're like nice and fake leather and they have this red rose that I like so much, which is nice. I mean, I swear they're clean. I wouldn't like touch my hair with them if they were dirty. Yeah, they are amazing and very comfortable, and I never thought I'd be showing comfortable shoes on my channel ever, but and I got so inspired by all the like comfortable shoes things and by like the weather. It's finally nice and sunny here in England. I can't even believe I just said that I asked them to send me some sandals as well. Yay! They're like nice and comfortable and they have this like ribbon that goes around your legs. It's awesome. I couldn't be happier. I'm ready for the summer. Okay, I think those were all the shoes. Shoes just make me so happy. So let's move on to clothes, and I'm gonna start with the bodysuit I'm wearing right now. It's like just a basic bodysuit with a turtleneck thing, but it says queen and it kind of like shows the side boobs, and I always say like yes, queen, and I love drag queens, and I don't know, I just like the word queen. So when I saw this on Shein's website, their shop, they always send me stuff like every month and I really like their stuff. I was like, oh my god, I need it. Did I shave my armpits? I didn't. Like it's okay.
We're in the world of equality. It's
yeah.
18, free the pit.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Hashtag free the pit. And the nip as well.
Free the nip. Oh, have you seen that thing by Rain Down with the nipple thing?
I have. That was so cool. And they also sent me another bodysuit that is just like the most beautiful thing ever. Are you ready for this? Ooh. It's really weird to film with someone like watching me. I'm so self-conscious. Ooh. Close your eyes, Phoebe.
I'm on Instagram, it's fine.
Okay. So they sent me this amazing bodysuit. Oh, that kind of looks like leather, but it's not. It's just like a shiny fabric and it has all these zippers and it's just so cool. Like, I'm planning to wear it with my fake leather skirt and stuff. So it's gonna look really cool and I can wear some like boots and oh my god. I can't wait for it to get a bit colder so I can wear this. And they also sent me, I think that's my favorite clothing item this month. I'm so in love with this skirt.
Dun, 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 dun.
This is just like a simple checkered skirt, but I don't know, I'm just so in love with it because I've been seeing people wearing this on Instagram all the time and I'm like living for it. And I love that the zipper has this ring thing that looks so cool. And I wore it the other day with this queen bodysuit that I'm wearing and it looks so nice together, I think. I hope. And I don't know, I'm just feeling like an Instagram queen, especially now that I got my Instagram back. Did I tell you, Phoebe, I got my Instagram back?
I saw you posted on Instagram, yeah.
I don't know why I have this skirt on my head though, but I'm happy. Okay, so this is gonna be the last clothing item before I move on to other things. And you're gonna kill me because yes, I got another black dress. Every month I say, ooh, guess what? I got a black dress. And I have like so many black dresses. Half of my wardrobe is just black dresses. So but I couldn't resist when I saw this gorgeous black dress. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's just like a normal long sleeve black dress, but it has this little detail here on the cleavage that I like so much. Every time when I have V-shaped things with a crisscross, I feel like a witch. Like, I don't know why, I just feel like putting a hat on and like being a witch, and I love it. I'm crazy for this dress. It's a bit too warm to wear it now, but I know that in a couple of weeks time, like summer is gonna be over already in England and I'm gonna be wearing this and it'll be great. Okay, moving on to bags. I actually only have one bag to show you, but it's a beautiful bag. And this is also by Fairy Season. Oh my god. I've been looking for like a girlier bag for a long time. Not for a girlier bag, I mean for a more like serious bag, because I have like ice cream shaped bags and rainbow bags, so I kind of wanted something different like this as well. And it's pink. And I love it so much. It's just so cute. So I feel like a nice, elegant lady with this bag. It's lovely. And finally, I received from this lovely girl called Kat that emailed me the other day asking if I could feature her shop. And she was so lovely and I said, yes, of course, why not? She sent me these really cute pins. Look at these. and she has this shop called Corazon Pom Pom that sells like all this type of kawaii pins and stuff, and she's really sweet. So the first one is this cute like pendants on a stick, and the packaging was like super cute and stuff. I'm sorry I didn't keep it because I'm disorganized and a bad YouTuber. And the other one is my favorite. It's just like so random but so cute. There is this cat avocado pin with glitter. It's just so cute. Like, look at this cat's face and look how the glitter around it. Oh my god. It just makes me happy looking at that. Please tell me in the comments what was your favorite thing this month. It can be literally anything. Please go follow me on Instagram and watch my previous videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a very lovely day. Mwah!